Let's test the newly repaired hand sealer, and here is it, guys. It's sealed now. Okay, I received this complaint, and the complaint is not heating up. When I check it, there is a crack on the PCB, so all we have to do is to bypass these two, and here should be connected, and let's do it. That is the neutral and the end of the two transistor, and the bypass is being done, and we're gonna connect this, and let's test if the unit is now fixed. As easy as that, guys. Once you encounter this problem, hope it will serve as your guidance, and let's test it. And here is it. It's working again. It's a basic electronics. Please support me by subscribing. Thanks for watching.